Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable response validation in Google Forms. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to ensure that your respondents provide accurate answers, especially in quizzes or surveys where precision matters. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to create your form. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Google Forms homepage where you can see all your existing forms or start creating a new one. Now click on Blank Form to start creating a new form from scratch. This will open up a fresh canvas where you can begin building your quiz or survey. You'll notice that your form comes with a default title called Untitled Form. Click on this title field and replace it with something more specific. For example, you might type science term if you're creating a science-related quiz. Next, you'll see an area labeled Untitled Question. Click on this field and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears on the right side. Navigate to this drop-down menu and select Short Answer. This question type is perfect for brief responses where you want to validate specific text answers. In the Untitled Question field, type your question. For instance, you could write the scientific term for animals that eat both plants and animals. This sets up the question that your respondents will need to answer correctly. Now comes the important part. Click on the three dotted lines located at the bottom right of the question box. From the menu that appears, select Response Validation. This is where you'll set up the rules that determine whether an answer is correct or not. You'll see a drop-down menu that initially shows Number. Click on this drop-down and change it to Text. This tells Google Forms that you're validating a text-based answer rather than a numerical one. Once you've selected text, you'll see additional options appear. In the text field that appears, type the correct answer. For our example, you would type omnivore. This is the exact answer that respondents need to provide for their response to be considered correct. Below this, you'll see a field labeled Custom Error Text. This is where you can provide helpful feedback to users who enter an incorrect answer. Navigate to this field and type something like, "Check your spelling and make sure the correct term is used." This message will guide your respondents if they make a mistake. In order to test that your validation is working properly, click the Preview button located in the upper right panel. This will open a live preview of your form where you can test how it behaves. Try typing an incorrect answer in the answer field, for example, something other than omnivore. When you do this, you'll see your custom error text appear, confirming that the validation is working exactly as intended. And that's it. You've successfully enabled response validation in Google Forms, ensuring that your respondents provide the exact answers you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.